really early this morning and I headed north. Right now I'm just north of Huntsville, and I know this little spot. I don't know if you can see it behind me. Nice little waterfall here, not very high, but it's just a very beautiful spot. So I just thought I'd start my fall color hunting in this spot. So here we go. So that first spot was really good, but I got there just in time and filmed what I needed to because it started to get busy. And I am not going to Algonquin Park because the traffic going that direction is nuts. I've done it once before and it was a, let's just say, big mistake. So I know enough of the province in this part of Ontario to show you exactly what it looks like, but just not in the park. So keep watching, and oh my god, it's beautiful. You got to get out here. And I just wanted to mention one more thing. There will be a lot of drone footage, just because it's probably the best way to show it off. And so enjoy. Yeah, and when you find places like this, you have to stop. Like, look at this. Like, totally beautiful. You know, Muskoka, this whole area is full of places like this. You just got to get out there and check them out, explore. That's what I'm doing. Just have fun, enjoy life, and then just get out there. Okay, people, I have to say, beautiful, beautiful. You can't argue with this, not this time. a great day up here in Muskoka. Muskoka delivers, and it always does. The colors were awesome. Yeah, I drove a lot, but you know what? You have to do that sometimes. So it's just awesome. You know, go check it out. This is a Canadian Thanksgiving weekend, so for up there where I am right now, I think the colors are the best. Next weekend might be a little bit too late, but just stay south of that, you'll be okay. But get out and explore, people. I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, leave some comments, please. I'd love to know what you're thinking. And well, thanks guys. See you soon.